whole broadcast has been brought to you by Sand. It's everywhere. Get used to it.
You hear that? Sounds like a train. It's a tornado. It's a tornado. My mom said every time you hear a train, you gotta duck into a trench because that is a tornado. It's a tornado, man. It is a tornado. We need, come on, tornado. We need to dive into a trench. We need to dive. Dude. There's a fucking train coming out. I didn't tell you this. I know. I noticed it. You don't want them to see us. Why? We're standing like hide behind the big tree. Here, I'll just like keep filming it. Oh man, it ruined our skit. I was doing good. Yeah, you were. No tornado. That kind of went off screen though, because I had to. We'll have to redo it after the train passed. Oh, it could be just that car. It could be. One that truck. Yeah, it's a train. Oh crap. Okay. Right. We're still filming, folks. So okay. Watch the train. We gotta get this for the train thing. Here comes the choo-choo. A choo-choo? And that is a choo-choo. Oh. Yeah. Oh, we're bad with it and go for Christmas. Yay, cool. Pizza! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Alright! It says do not honk. What the hell? What the coming early? Look, do not honk. What? Shut up, dog, I can hear ya. Do not honk. Look. Do not honk. Look, in the train part. Do not hump, right there, bam. Look where the ladders and stuff are. Wait. Right there. It's right in the middle of the train. This is awesome. Do not hump. Look right there. Do not hump. Only some of them say right there. Do not. Hey, look at that. What the F? Look at all the silver ones. Hey, let's supply our own coal. The ones with the F? No, the silver ones. Look. Right, look. Read that. Do not honk. Top right hand corner. Where the ladder is. By the ladder on the silver one. I don't see it. Look, on the brown ones, it's right in the middle. Yeah. Do not honk. It's the white letters. Look. White. Look. See white letters? Right there. Okay. White letters in the middle. Here's the silver top right hand corner. Are you talking about? It says do not honk by the ladder. Look. Right in the middle. Right there. Where the little steering thing is on the brown one. What's the F? Oh wait. Steering wheel. How much longer? I don't see the fucking steering wheel. Holy crap! Hey, what's happening? Now. You're not humping. Now. Oh, see it! I see it! Do not. I see it! Do not hump. Hey! Bye! You're missing something! Look, feel the train, the track. It's hot. It's hot. Not really. They're vibrating. Going That was awesome. I finally saw the. It was way far away. I saw it coming. Well, that's how our skit would have been done. You really? No. That's the funny thing, because you really saw it. He's like, oh, there's a train, and it was 30 miles away. It's like, proof to you. No, it's like we really knew it was there. The thing is still filming. I need to sit and turn it off with. Now. You hear that? That's a train. Sounds like a train. Yeah. Tornado! Tornado! My mom says that every time you hear a train, it sounds like a train, it's a tornado. We need to get into that ditch, or that one over there. It's a tornado, and it'll go right over us if we're in a ditch. We need to be in a ditch.
Dude, are you like on meth?
No! We need to get in a ditch.
It's a train.
No, it is a tornado. Every time you hear a train, it's a tornado.
We just saw a train pass by.
Tornado! Tornado. Now let's get that or that one. Maybe that ditch. I don't know, because it's a tornado and we need to get into a ditch. Exactly, but not if...
Ditch won't help us.
Yes, it will.
Look, look, there's a train.
No!
Train over there.
Train!
Train!
Tornado!
Train. No. No.
Ditch!
No.
No!
It's a train. No.
This is getting out of hand, so I'm just gonna turn it off.